Jet planes in the night sky with you.
Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. If you are new to here, please subscribe, and if you like this video, give me a like. Now in this video I'm gonna show you top programming language that are used for AI. Okay, so the first one is SQL, okay, structured query language. This is the most popular language for managing data, and knowledge of SQL database tables and queries helps data scientists when dealing with data. Okay, so SQL is very convenient, okay, for storing, manipulating and retrieving data in database. Okay, so SQL is the most important language you have to know in AI. Okay, so when we look the second programming language, C++, okay, C++ holds the title, okay, the world's fastest programming language. Okay, you have to know that C++ is the world's fastest programming language, and because of the speed, C++ preferred language when programming computers and games. So C++ is good for compute games for in AI. For example, it provides faster execution and has less response time, okay, which applied in search engine and development of computer games. So Google uses C++ in AI programs for search engine optimization or SEO. So you have to recognize that C++ is best for AI, okay, and you have to learn this language. The next, the most important programming language you have to learn is Java. Okay, Java is another general purpose coding language that can be used for all types of software development. Okay, for AI, Java is most used to create machine learning solutions, searching algorithms and neural network. Okay, so to create this, there are a lot of support in Java, so you have to learn this programming language. Okay, the next and the most popular programming language is Python. Okay, Python is a general purpose coding language. It can be used for all types of programming and software development. Okay, so Python is typically used for server development, like building web app for web servers. Okay, Python is also typically used in data science. An advantage of Python, it comes with some very suitable libraries, okay, in AI. Okay, for example, NumPy, library for working with arrays, and SciPy, it is library for statistical science. Matplotlib, this is a graph plotting library, and LATK for natural language toolkit. TensorFlow, it is essential for machine learning. So it is important that you have to learn when you come with AI. You have to learn this language, Python. Okay. The next and the most important programming language you have to learn for learning AI is R. Okay, R programming language. R programming language used for graphics and statistical computing. Okay, R is supported by R Foundation for statistical computing, and R comes with a wide set of statistical and graphical technique for example, for linear modeling, nonlinear modeling, statistical test, time and series analysis, classification, clustering. Okay, these are the most concepts in AI, so you have to learn our programming also. Okay, it is important for AI. The programming language you have to learn is LISCP. LISCP is the second oldest programming language in the world. Okay, in 1958. Only one earlier, younger than Fortran. Okay, this programming is old. In AI, or artificial intelligence, was made by John McCarthy, who invested in LISCP. So LISCP is founded on the theory of recursive function. Okay, this is a function appears in its own definition. So a recursive function can be written as a self-modifying function, and this is very suitable for AI programs where self-learning is an important part of the program. Okay, so learn this LISCP programming language. It helps you a lot when you come with AI. So this is for today, and for summary, you have to learn for AI programming language are LISCP, R, Python, C++, Java, JavaScript and SQL. Okay, JavaScript is also good for AI. So you have to learn this top programming language. I hope you like this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and thank you.